We are live. Possibly.
Don't laugh. Don't laugh. The fuck is this? It's funny. This funny deal, right? Alright, bro. I walk in this shit, bro. Don't mind this shit. I was jerking yesterday. I ain't gonna lie. But
Okay. Okay. Uh. It's all right. Okay. So we got the thing. I've been trying to install this for like the past I'd say like 30 minutes. I ain't gonna lie.
Update this, and as you can see in Google's
What
second adapt net, you see the boot messages, okay, and so just give it a few seconds, and there we go. As you can see, we have landed to the terminal. Okay, so now the first step is to check whether I have a valid IP address. So I'm going to run the command IPA, and as you can see,
IPA. Oh, it's working now. Wait.
My second network adapter labeled ENP0S3 is my active adapter, and it has picked the IP address of 192.168.2.109, which corresponds to my IP addressing scheme in my local area network. Okay, let me now check whether I have access to the internet. So I'm just going to ping Google's
Team Arch Linux.org. It's working. It's working. It's working. It's working. It's working.
DNS, as you can see. And as you can see, I get a positive response. So that means I have internet connection and everything looks good. All right. Now the first step will be to update the system. And to do so, I'm simply going to run the command pacman -capital S, then Y, then hit enter.
Pacman S. Pacman S1. Update. Okay. Pacman S1.
So this synchronizes the package databases. All right. So just give it a few seconds and we are done. Now, as promised, we're going to use the Arch install command line interface installer. So this is a CLI that will simplify the installation of Arch Linux. So to install it, run the command pacman -s, then Arch install.
Pacman S.
Like that. So hit enter. Okay, so when prompted with the installation, I'm simply going to type Y on the keyboard and hit enter. So this is going to install Arch install and any other packages. Okay, and we are done. Now, to begin the installation, simply run Arch install like that and hit enter. So immediately do so, you're going to see a list of install.
This was just installing like packages or something. So I don't know. Arch install. Okay. Boom. We know so.
Solution steps. So here we go. So
okay. Oh, let me follow what this good does.
as you can see, the first option is the installation language. So by default, this is set to English, and I'm going to just leave it as it is. So I'm just going to head over to the next option with the arrow down key. So this takes me to locales. So to the right, you can see the local settings. We have the keyboard layout set to US. The local language is English US, and local encoding is UTF-8. Okay, so if you need to change, simply press enter. So here you can default. So in my case, I'm just going to select Kenya. So to select your so here for the mirrors, be sure to select your mirror region. So I'm going to hit enter. And here you can see all the countries listed. So in my case, I'm just going to select Kenya. So to select your option, simply press the spacebar key on your keyboard like that. Okay. And I'm going to hit enter. So this displays the information about
local. I mean, select region, no? Albania.
my mirrors. Okay. So let me head back. Okay, so here you can see Miras
let
is set
me
to
check.
Kenya. So for the disk
course not.
configuration, come here and hit enter, then select partitioning by pressing enter. So here you get 3 options. So the first one is the option that automatically partitions your disk, okay, and the second one is for manual partitioning. All right, so to simplify the installation, I'm simply going to select the first one, which is going to automatically partition my hard drive. All right, so as you can see, I have 31.9 gigabytes. So I'm just gonna press enter. Then here I'm going to select the file system.
Okay, try.
So I'm just going to select ext4. You can select whichever file system you prefer. So in my case, I'm going to hit enter. So here you get a summary of the disk configuration. So it has created 2 partitions, the boot partition, which is 1 gigabyte size, and FAT32 file system, and the root file system, which is 30.9 gigabytes, and it's ext4 file system. Okay. And for the get to back steps, sorry. Now this is what I have. So to go back, simply navigate to back and hit enter. So for the disk encryption, I'm just going for the boot unify system and provide your host name. Okay, so I'm just going to go back using the escape key. So for the root password, I'm going to hit enter and provide my root password. Then I'm going to hit enter and confirm this once again. And there we go. So for the user account, I'm going to come here and hit enter. Then I'm going to select add a user by pressing enter. So for the username, I'm going to provide James. Then I'm going to hit enter, then provide my password. Then I'm going to confirm it. And I'm going to hit enter. So here I'm going to select James to also be a super user. So I'm going to select yes. And now I'm going to scroll and confirm and exit. All right, back to our installer. So here I'm going to come to profile. So this is where you're going to select your preferred profile. So I'm going to hit enter, then select the first option, which is type, by pressing enter. So here, these are the main profiles. So the first one is the desktop profile, which allows you to select your preferred desktop environment. So this one is for the minimal installation. All right, so this is the server and this is Xorg. All right, so you can select your preferred profile. All right, so in my case, I'm going to select Arch Linux with a desktop environment. So I'm going to come here for desktop. So to the left, you can see a list of all the desktop environments supported by Arch Linux. All right, so you can select your preferred desktop environment or the environment you fancy. In my case, I'm simply going to select GNOME environment. Okay.
Arch Linux environment. You know, my hands are kind of beat up from climbing. Like my hand is mm, I don't know. I'll see. Who's coming? Mm. Well, you know, your son is doing his extended accident because he has like 3 days or 2 days now to do it, and he hasn't done anything. He's like, if I don't do it, I'm busy. He hasn't really tried. I don't, I don't know. It's really nothing. I'll see about going. I'll see. It's like a maybe. Generally, like a maybe. Yeah. Yeah, I understand. I understand. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No. Oh, from Vinny's side. Oh, I might come then. I might come. Oh, my. All right. I'm ready. All right. Goodbye, man. Sister. Goodbye. All right, chat. All right, chat. All right, chat. All right. Okay. Let's see if anyone even air to enter. Yeah. Alright, 33 minutes. I'm be real, I should just stop my stream. 311. Okay, 20. Alright. Continuing this. Oh, I can check probably.
Except C terminal. Where is the terminal?
What are these? Cinnamon. These are the. No, but there's a canary. I don't know what this guy's doing right now. Is he installing every? Alright. Featuring my wife. Uh, 1-0. Oh crap. Oh, hey, yo, my fault, Brody. Hey, my fault, yo. What's up? Hey, how you doing? How you doing? Yo, please don't use Arch install. Why? May I ask why? Cause I was looking at like a tutorial to install it, and it was like 43 minutes, and like I asked some kids on Discord, and they said to just use Arch they used Arch install. It was pretty quick.
So for the username, I'm going to.
Wait.
So for the username, I'm going to.
Wait. Was my thing working? Hold on. It's like 43 minutes. Yeah. And like, let me know why, Brody. Let me know why. Cause I'm a very beginner to Linux. I probably should have put that in the description or something.
Your virtual machine, and we will be able to take a look here. So this is the Budgie desktop, and so what we're going to do is we're going to just analyze them a little, take a look what they do, and then basically give them a grade on this list.
Okay.
So this is the Budgie desktop. There is the menu, for example, and you can change.
Default, right?
Yeah. For example, you can click that one. Yeah, and that will open like different type of the menu.
So it's pretty pissed. I'm not gonna lie. Where's it?
Yeah. So this is the Cinnamon desktop.
Cinnamon.
So you can see it kind of has a similar layout. We have this panel in the bottom. We have a menu. This menu looks a little different. So in this one, we change background.
Oh, we can't change the background in Budgie?
No, we can, but this one actually has, like, in the Budgie you have to download your own background.
Okay,
but this one...
there are many basic stuffs included in the
Yeah.
In cinnamon.
Yeah, cinnamon has a few.
Okay, cinnamon's a bit better.
Cute fish.
Yeah.
Cute fishes.
That looks very simple.
They try to make this like the very simple and the clear.
iOS.
So, and notice everything is like round.
Yeah, I like it now.
And there is the settings. So this one, yeah, there is not much. We can change
This
the
is
light
just iOS.
and the dark.
Yeah. It's a cute fish.
Yeah.
Even.
So this is the Deepin desktop. We can see this is the menu. It's very elegant, I think.
What do you plan to use? Hold on. So I'm be real. I don't really got a plan. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm gonna be real. I'm kind of just like raw dogging it. Like my the Linux knowledge is like very minimal. DE, I don't know what DE is. I'm a guess you meant to put IDE. What desktop environment? Oh. Meaning this. Oh no. What this? I'm kind of looking at what to use. I'm just looking at which ones look the cleanest or whatever.
What is this? Oh, you can even take a screenshot here.
Because I was planning on like
Like an arrow.
like
So maybe you want to
getting into
point on
Linux
something.
racing, which is why I installed
Did I
Arch.
try this? I don't remember. And then you can save it. Pictures.
Ooh. Because I use the screenshot a lot.
Oh.
It's very good for me.
So what do you think?
It was just enlightenment. Oh.
It's default music is.
Yeah.
This is
This is.
Wow. What is this?
that's
space?
this is piss. No.
This is called the GNOME desktop, and this is one of the most popular ones. And a lot of cases, people change a lot about this, but this is kind of the basic version. So you can see here we have the different workspaces. This is kind of called activities. They have their own kind of the web browser, calendar, music, file, even like the software center.
I don't know.
This is kind of the problem with this one is that for the settings, so a lot of people find this kind of a little lacking because there are not many options you can change, default and dark. So some people complain a lot, and this is why there is the tweaks, where if you want to do some kind of the more customization.
I don't know. I feel like this is too. Something that's like pretty minimalistic.
The next one we are taking a look is also GNOME, but this is an older version. So some of the people don't like the new version, so they just keep the old one updated. So you can see this one has the kind of the application menu, has the navigation to open the folders.
So I want to get into Linux racing. So does it really matter what because I don't really know what, because all I understand from Linux racing is that like you customize your like so is it off the desktop environments? Is it like, you know what I mean? It's like if I pick like GNOME for example, I can only necessarily I don't really know. I can only customize. Oh shit! What is oh shit? Just like some like Hyperland is that is okay. Grub. Wait, that's just the boot thing right here. Awesome mechanical law. It's very well done. Goodbye, and then KDE Plasma. KDE Plasma. Oh, KDE Plasma. Let me see. Let me see.
And this is also very popular. A lot of the people, I think, who like to kind of change around and customize their system, they
Oh.
usually like this desktop.
Is it different, the background?
Yeah, this is the default background.
It just, tells me that, yeah, I'm sophisticated.
This has a kind of more similar to the Windows type of the system,
Yeah, definitely.
with this kind of the start menu, but it's kind of the design is a little more sophisticated, I guess,
Yeah.
more modern. The people who work on the desktop, they really want to create an alternative for everything, so the user can find all these programs that will work together.
This is pretty
What's always in okay there?
Yeah, everything is.
The beginning,
nice.
Yeah, so
Oh, the
everything is
only
K.
thing,
like
like these the
even if
desktops.
you,
So with the Linux distros, I can customize it to however I want, right? Because I'm not really too sure. So like, let's say I want to like remove this these
what was
desktop
it?
things at the taskbar,
Like Conquer,
or like
it's
Yeah.
I see. I'm trying to do something like cool, like like this or something like this, You know what I mean? But like, these people customizing themselves. I don't know if I could do it on the same customizable level.
with a K. Contact is also with a K. So this is one. This is the LXDE.
LXDE,
Yeah. This is similar to LXDE. It's also made by. What is your impression? So let's open Mate.
Mate. Wait, mate.
It's Spanish, so it's
Uh,
in but
I don't know.
look up. Let's go to the next one then. So this one is a very simple one, but there is some kind of a problem which I couldn't solve with this. Yeah,
Stable.
yeah. Actually, this CE XFCE desktop is that they don't really update it often. So there are some people who don't like change and they like the system a lot.
That's why, some people like this.
Yes, yes.
This
Okay, I
program,
might
this
do
version.
the KDE Plasma.
Yeah, yeah. I have to.
Yeah, screw it. I'll do the KDE Plasma. Alright. KDE Plasma. Oh wait, let me. I was following a tutorial.
And to the right, you can see the packages that will come installed with no. So once I hit enter, okay, I'm gonna leave everything as it is. So as you can see, for the profiles, Greta to go to Pipewire, which is the latest
Audio.
All right. Now moving forward, I'm going to go to audio. So I'm gonna press enter. So for the audio server, I'm going to select Pipewire, which is the latest audio server. Okay.
Pipewire. Okay.
Manager.
Network use
Which will allow you to
network
operate
manager.
seamlessly.
Alright. So let me just go back. You do the what do you do? Audio. How do you there's no audio.
Especially the keys. So for the kernel,
Audio. I'm guessing this is I don't know. You got the network. Use network. Linux Zen. Oh, for the in kernel. Why Linux Zen? Oh, a customized Linux. Oh, so it's like no, it's just better, I guess, for like I just stop perform. I'm guessing it's just better. Zen kernel. Okay. Alright. Alright. Kernel's done.
No, it's so I'm gonna
Network manager.
you can
Additional.
to
Oh,
include. So for example, for additional packages, here you can specify the packages you'd like to include. So for example, by the way, maybe NeoFetch
gosh, that's not good.
to verify if the packages exist. So indeed they exist, all right. So I'm going to come here, official repositories. So I'm going to press enter. So these are the
Optional.
additional repositories you can include. So if you feel you want to include them, you can just select them, okay, like that. So I'm gonna hit enter. So as you can see, additional repositories, we have multi-lib and testing. For the time zone, you can set your preferred time zone. So here I'm in UTC, I'm in Africa, and you can see
Time
lastly
zone,
it's
I
you
couldn't-
with
I
the
don't really
configuration.
care.
I'm going to credentials, so I'm gonna select save all, install,
Okay.
direct.
Wait, what are you? You went to the big configuration, but that's not necessarily needed, no?
Save all. So this saves the user configuration as well as the user credentials. So I'm gonna select save all. So for the directory, I'm going to specify the root directory and hit enter. Okay. So
I'll just copy what he's doing. Alright, save configuration. Save all to the root. Right.
directory, I'm going to specify the root directory and hit enter. Okay. So
Yeah,
here I'm going to say
yeah.
yes. And then finally, I'm going to select install. So I'm gonna hit
Install.
enter.
Alright, root. Yes. Encrypt. Do I want to encrypt? I don't think I
And
do.
then finally, I'm going to select. Okay. So here I'm going to say yes.
I don't. Sure, no. Install. Right.
And then finally, I'm going to select install. So I'm gonna hit enter. So you can see the
Install.
specified configuration will be applied. Would you like to continue? So I'm going to hit yes.
4.
And once you
3.
do
Oh,
so,
crap.
the installation
Oh!
of Arch Linux
Aye.
will
Aye.
commence.
Starting the install. Starting the install. I will just wait.
And this will automatically partition your disk, your hard drive, and also install all the relevant or the necessary packages from the ISO image to your hard drive. Now, as you can see, the total downloaded size is 635 megabytes and the total install size is 1.4 gigabytes. So this is going to take quite some time. All right. So at this point, I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to come back once the installation is complete.
I don't know
And
what
the
hell I'm doing.
installation is now complete. Now for my case, this took roughly
let me
30
just
minutes.
hold on.
So you'll see this notification whether you'd like to chroot into the newly created installation and perform post-installation configuration. So by default,
I
this
do-
is set to no, and you can select this and reboot. But if you choose to go to yes, this is what you get. So this gets you into a chrooted environment. Okay, so I'm going to clear. All right, so you can check the directories
Okay.
on clear.
Okay.
This gets
So I just
you
gotta
into
wait until
a
this downloads.
chrooted
I
environment.
just finished
Okay,
setting up.
Yeah.
And then I.
whether you'd like to configure to back point, I'm going to pause this video and in case this took
Would you like to?
roughly 30 minutes. So you'll see this
30
notification.
minutes. This is how long it's gonna take. Wait. Damn. 30. Alright.
Whether you'd like to chroot into the newly created installation and perform
Yeah.
post-installation configuration. So by default, this is set to no, and you can select this and reboot. But if you choose to go to yes, this is what you'll get. So, all right, system directory structure one like that. Okay, so here you can see the reporting and structure with all the major directories. Okay, also you can run some applications. For example, you can run NeoFetch to check
This is just
on errors, and you may reboot when ready. So what I'm gonna do at the ISO image, so I'm going to come
Where's
here to
ISO?
devices attached. Okay, so I'm going to force unmount. All right, so just to confirm, I'm going to come here, then optical drives. So as you can see, there are no optical drives. Okay, so from this point, I'm going now to come here and reboot the system. Okay, so I'm just going to come and reboot. All right, and press enter. So now the system is rebooting. And there we go. So as you can see, now we have the grub file. And
Yeah.
now I'm going
alright, and then that's it.
to or sudo
Alright, you do like a
install all
sudo.
to press going headers and the command the terminal, and then I'm going to install Linux headers. So I'm going to run the command sudo pacman
Sudo.
-s. So I'm going to install Linux headers. Linux-headers,
Headers.
and then DKMS, and then I'm going to hit enter, and I'm going to provide my password to proceed. So this will install all the packages. So to proceed, I'll type.
I don't know what Linux headers is. Package provides the C header files. Guessing I should also install it. I'm a guess. Let me. Okay. Simple, lightweight. Alright. Yeah. Chad, I'm be right. I ain't got no clue what the hell I'm doing. So, I'm just wait for this. But when this is set up,
Y on the keyboard and hit enter.
I don't even know what my plan was. Linux Racing Guide. Let me.
Okay, we're gonna go over and install it.
Okay, don't need that. Don't need that. What is this? Irrelevant. This. I don't even know what that is. So this. So this is alright. So okay. Still installing. So I'm just Linux Rising Guide. Let me just read through. Hi, I've been icon. I want to get my hands dirty. Okay. Begin with. Let's start trying things and experimenting. All right. Maybe. What is this? Chat. I didn't know that even existed. Alright. Cause maybe I'm not ready for racing. I don't. Like this is this. Clean, no? Okay. What was the wait. Let me. There's. What was it? Well, there was something. There's like many challenges. Let me just. Is it not? How do I? Okay. Let me see. Okay. Windows. Yeah. No, but what was the day? No, this person told me. Okay, alright. In Hyperlink, you need to write the config file. Hyperlink, you need to write the config in a file. INGY. Hyperland is the E, I'm guessing, which was relation to like this. Hyperland. You write the config in a file, not in a GUI. bro, I don't know what the hell I'm doing, bro. Okay, okay. How do I start? How do I learn? Like, I don't know how to Linux Rice. What the hell? This one. Okay.
You know, you full screen that window, and then you can like close it and whatever. That's basically how, or what should I say, is
But so do I, in order to, let's say, copy someone's rice, I have to copy, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I don't, oh my goodness, let's pull up ChatGPT. No large knowledge of Linux. Very little. I installed Arch with, what was it? KDE Plasma, and am just unsure where to go on from here. Yeah, I've done the hardest part. Nice. Rising, yep. Building your own theme. They're the basic commands. Sudo pacman. In the term, if you want to practice in the tournament before touching config file. Tweak KDE, but since KDE is beginner friendly, start rising to the GUI. Okay. Hide config. Okay, so what I'm getting is that these you rise through the, okay. Oh, I got it now. Okay, so the config meaning gotta, okay, yeah. I bet if you want to use Hyperman, try that. Is this what you're talking about? This GitHub. It includes an installation script. Alright. I'll check this out later, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so I gotta look at for KDE Plasma. That's what I'm getting. That's okay. So like stuff like, oh, okay, I got it now. Yeah. I could do stuff like this. This is clean. First ever rice. Alright. First ever attempt. What the hell, bro? Alright. I got it. I think I understand. A bit. KDE, so start rising to GUI, then KDE store. Install some useful packages. Experiment. What is fun? This. How to install? What is the engine? What is okay, install quantum, I should say quantum. This, I don't know what that, I'm guessing this is just to, this. SVG based. This is it. This was 1.8K. There's oh my god! Alright. There's I don't what is quantum, buddy? Oh, okay. Right here. Alright. SVG theme based for home. Okay, default dark. I don't this and the color box. What is, theme? Oh, a theme. So is it just getting no? Kitty. Can't live without the blur.
Okay, so today I'm going to talk about something that's actually rather controversial. I'll explain you why. So you've got global themes, and global themes are made up of different components, such as the plasma theme, which is actually what styles the plasma part of KDE, which is just this part at the bottom, the applets, Keyrunner as an example, Kickoff as well. This part under here, this is all plasma themes. You also have colors and window decorations, and all of these are actually kind of simple to make. I've done videos about how to make a plasma style. They are all either QML or SVGs, and those do not require a very deep knowledge of coding to actually...
Pause. Hold up. It's finished. Wait. So, I reboot, no? Or do I? No, I reboot. Think I'm a reboot. I think I reboot. Yeah. Then I gotta. I also gotta remove the which one was it? It was. Alright. Let me just. I think I removed the. Wait. Oh wait, no, screw it. I'm not removing it. Alright. Select your user, enter your password. Session, Wayland. Select your user. There's no user. There's no there ain't no user. Is it? I can't. Alright. Shut down. I don't. Dang, this ain't going good. Wait, hold on. Wait, let me just. How do I? Can I not just basically, okay, yeah. I do this now. I think I do that. I think. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. You did. Wait. Okay. Alright. I don't. Whoa. Arch Linux. So, what can I, how do I create a user then, no? Because I was trying to put the name in, but I kept on saying invalid or username or something like that, so I just skipped it. But I didn't think it would be an issue in the future. Okay. How do I? What do I do now? What do I do now? Uh. Okay. Let me. Let me. Install Arch Linux with the thing with you need off light DM. Hold on. What is off? I don't. What do you mean by this? Disable light DM. It's like light display. Is this? Is it? Is it? I don't know what you. Since you didn't create a user, you're probably logged in as root right now. No, I am in the user selection screen, but there is no user to select. What do I do? Switch to a TTY. Control Alt F2. Alt F2. F2. F3. Oh. It's okay. Then I do root and the password arch. Now I just create a user, no? I just okay. User add password. Okay. So user mg wheel s/bin/bash. The username, I'll just put it arch. Make it simple. Oh wait, user add. I'm dumb. Okay. mg wheel s/bin/bash. Your username, I'll make it arch. I'll just make it arch. No capital. Make it simple. Boom. Password. Arch. Oh, okay. Password of the user, which, okay. Reboot after adding a new user. Okay, but I gotta enable sudo, no? For the, I think. Nope. Okay, nano. Uncommon design wheel percentage all. I've never used nano. Chat having used Vim. Okay. This file must be edited with. I'm gonna just restart the. I'm gonna just restart it. Just restart it. See what. See what happens. This is Temple OS. Wrong. Wrong. Okay. Arch Linux. So now, theoretically, it should show a user. Theoretically, of course. There we go. We got the arch. Yeah, arch. Password, arch. Oh. There we go. Yeah. I just want to see it. I just want to make sure it was. To add permissions, I gotta go back and something. I'm not really too sure how to add permissions. Whoa. Welcome. I don't. Panel. Okay. How do I add permissions? I'll give you all my information. I'll give you everything. No. How do I add permissions? Do I KDE. Okay. Dolphin is just file explorer. Dolphin is just file explorer. This is text editor. Okay. This is just a store, system settings. Restart. Okay, in the terminal. Restart. Okay, in the terminal. In the terminal. Console. Okay. In terminal type SU. Okay. Enter the user to add permissions. What do I do now? Or is this it? Does my user? I'm gonna guess my user doesn't have permissions yet, but I'm guessing I'm in administrative thing. SU. Okay, wait. Switch your root. Switch to root from your user. No, I want to edit it, no? Yeah, it's just give me one line to make my user permanently, I don't know how to spell. Permanently, root. I think, right? Okay. Okay, I don't know what you're thinking for. It's changed to it's just this, no? Alright. Okay. Hold up, someone's calling me. Alright. Alright, we'll see. Run this, it'll ask for the root path. Okay, I already did that, so I just gotta copy this now. Then log out and log back in as Arch. Uh, do I have clipboard shared? How do I check if I got clipboard? Paste. Clipboard is not shared. How do I share the clipboard? How do I share the clipboard? Manage. No. Alright. I'll just manually type it. It's okay. It's okay. I'll just manually type the whole thing. It's part of the learning process anyways. So I'm already in root. So I'm gonna do user mod ag wheel arch and end. There's no end. Oh, which one's the end? 7. 7. Whoa. Wheel arch and end. Why is that lagging so much? SEDIS / hashtag percent wheel all equal all. Well, it's so I probably should have done that. But it's a little too late. If this doesn't work, I'll probably do that. All equal all. What? A lot of alls. Boom. Space all / etc / scooters. Did that? Then log out and log back in with Arch. I mean, with now I'm gonna log out. Hold on. Let me also download console. What was it? Arch. Then you do Let me just download Firefox real quick, and then I'll see if. Log out. Okay. It's installed. Log out. Log out. Log back. I'm gonna log back in, and it should. In theory. In theory, I should have root. Sudo, who am I? Sudo, who am I? I'm root. There we go. There we go. Hell yeah. Use sudo instead of su. What? Wait, what? You've added permissions to sudo. Well, what's the difference between sudo and su? Run GUI as root. SU substitutes user, switches user. Switches your session to another user by default. Oh! Okay. I see what you mean. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Alright. Try sudo. Try sudo pacman SUI for. I don't know what that word means, or you spelled it incorrectly. Might be both. Sudo pacman SUI. Okay, but since I'm in root, I don't. There's nothing to see. Okay. Jeff shit. Hey. No, that's not Jeff. That's a child. No. Okay. Oh. Type exit. Well, exit. And then Sue. So I type Sue. Pacman S U. Because it says SYU here. I don't. Wait, runs. So you switch to root. Sudo is just for one task. Okay, so I would do. So here, would it not be sudo? I mean, it doesn't really matter much, but. Sudo. SYU. SYU. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Uh. Hey, hey, Brody. I gotta go though, but I appreciate you tuning in. I'll probably fix this. I'll probably be live and on Monday if if you want to tune in. Yeah, yeah. I'll probably. Yeah, I appreciate you for joining the live. I appreciate you. Yeah. Alright, man. Goodbye. Stay safe. And yeah, peace out. Bye bye.